Mining in Zimbabwe is influenced by a variety of factors, including geological, economic, social, political, and environmental considerations. Here are some key factors that influence mining activities in Zimbabwe. 1. Geological resources. Zimbabwe is rich in mineral resources, including gold, platinum, diamonds, coal, chrome, nickel, and lithium, among others. The presence and abundance of these resources influence the location and scale of mining operations in the country. 2. Economic policies and regulations. Government policies, regulations, and incentives play a significant role in shaping the mining sector in Zimbabwe. Policies related to taxation, licensing, ownership, and investment frameworks impact the attractiveness of the mining industry to domestic and foreign investors. 3. Infrastructure and transportation. Access to reliable infrastructure, including roads, railways, ports, and energy supply, is essential for the development and operation of mining projects. The availability and quality of infrastructure influence the cost of mining operations and the competitiveness of Zimbabwe's mining sector. 4. Market demand and prices. Global demand and prices for minerals and metals affect the profitability and viability of mining projects in Zimbabwe. Fluctuations in commodity prices can impact investment decisions, production levels, and revenue generation for mining companies. 5. Labor force and skills. The availability of skilled labor and the cost of labor are important considerations for mining operations in Zimbabwe. The mining industry requires a range of skilled professionals, including geologists, engineers, technicians, and equipment operators. Labor issues, such as wage negotiations, labor unrest, and skills shortages, can impact mining activities. 6. Environmental and social considerations. Environmental regulations, community relations, and social license to operate are increasingly important factors influencing mining operations in Zimbabwe. Mining activities can have significant environmental and social impacts, including habitat destruction, water pollution, displacement of communities, and conflicts over land and resources. Compliance with environmental standards and engagement with local communities are critical for sustainable mining practices. 7. Political stability and governance. Political stability, governance, and rule of law are important factors for investment and development in the mining sector.